Hello, family, friends, and fellow gamers. Welcome back to Grumpy Gnome Gaming. I am Grumpy Gnome, and we are at the Lighthouse region. And I think that was also known by something else. Let's see, world map. Seawatcher is another name, I guess, the tower. But that's where we are. Okay, return. So, this is Safana. She is an NPC that is recruitable, and she wants to talk to a male party member. I don't know what it is with all the sexism in this game, but she prefers a male gender to speak with. So here we go.
I've been looking for strong men like yourselves.
Oh, baby. Okay. Yeah, let's do this. Safana, I have a problem that only you can help me solve. Nope, we're not falling for that lady in distress crap. um, or maybe if you told us your name and your problem, we could help you. So that's a little more pleasant. Lady in distress crap, yeah. Well, good sirs, you may call me Savannah. You'll have to excuse me if I sound startled, but in the south where I come from, they don't grow their men as big as many of you. Okay. Where are you coming from? Little the Shire? Anyhow, if you want, I have a way to make you all fabulously wealthy. In my possession, I have a map that'll give the location of an old pirate treasure trove. According to the writings of the map, there's a legendary black Alaric uh, dumped his treasure before being captured in the Imoen fleets. You interested in hearing more? Um, yeah, we always like to hear about money. The reason I need so many heroic men is that the cavern where I wish to go are guarded by some sort of creature. Which kind? I couldn't tell you. If you help me, I'll let you share the treasure. I may be grateful in other ways as well. Wow. Kids, um, yeah. Um, okay. I'm sure she just wants to cook for us or something. Maybe that's what it is. So couldn't even think about other ways to pay us back, so she'd be the cook. Monsters, we found enough of those, so we'll have to turn you down, or we agree. Yeah, we agree. Oh, thank you. You won't regret your decision. I know the powerful heroes usually push you through the obstacles, and well, then, whatever showed you the pirate cove. Let's be going. Just south of Candlekeep. So here we go. So anyway, now we got Safana. Let's get rid of Imoen for a minute and take a look at
Yes,
her.
dear.
And of course, she's gonna level up right away.
I care not.
And okay, Imoen, you just hang out for a minute.
I'll do anything.
Oh my God. Okay, cook to do that. Don't want to know what else you want to do, but let's pause for a minute. Let's check her out. So here we go. This is Safana. She's a level 2 thief. Now, once we level her up, that's going to change. But, okay, level up. And she'll get another proficiency. Scimitars. Interesting. What else could we give her? You got anything ranged? You got darts. You know what? Why don't we give you something cool like crossbow? Crossbow's cool. Cha-ching. Anyway, 100 points. Why couldn't we get that with Karan? Damn. Okay. Take this up to 50. Uh, 50. Take this up to 50. And take this up to 50. And this is another one I probably should have got up to 52. Let's take 15 off of here. That'll take that down to 35. And put that back up here. There you go. That's nicely balanced. Open locks, pickpocket. There. You'll be happy with that. And done. Okay, that took her up to 6. Gosh, why couldn't we have gotten that with crap? Female, human, thief, chaotic neutral. Yeah, okay. Anyway, she's quite the player, as you can tell in her dialogue. Strength, nothing spectacular. She'll have to be a ranged weapon person. Dexterity, that's pretty good. Hopefully she'll gain something from her crossbow to use that. Squishy with constitution. Intelligence, 1 point less than dual classing to a mage. So if we can find the tome of intelligence, give her that 1 bump, you can actually dual class her into a mage. And very charismatic. Well, we didn't talk about wisdom, which is doorknob level. But charisma, yeah, she could be quite the player. Yeah. All right. Very good. So, what's she come with? Probably not much. There's her Wakasa Ninja Toe. She's got leather. Yeah, that's basically it. Anyway, that was Safana. And keep her if you want, dish her if you don't want. I'm going to guess that she has a very interesting dialogue. And just because the way she likes to come on to the males in the group. So anyway, let's.
I stand ready.
Is this Imoen? Yep.
Not a problem.
Imoen.
You're a queer fellow.
Yep. Let's get going. There we go. And get rid of her. Remove. And remove. And we're done.
Oh, I feel so sensual.
Okay, you should feel so removed. I cannot stay with you even a little longer. Our time together has been quite enjoyable. Well, perhaps we'll meet again. Yeah, you know what, perhaps. Maybe. Not in this game, though. Okay. And we're out of here. Let's take a look at the map, and let's deal with this region. Then we'll move on to bigger and better things. Okay, so that was Safana. Now we got to deal with those sirens that were over here. I'm wondering if we came down. No, we'd already been up here and we couldn't reveal them. Let's come from the south. And there is that carrion crawler that we talked about. Let's get back in our marching order, because I don't want Dinah here up in the front. That's just an accident waiting to happen. Okay, here we go. Everybody attack. You've got ranged weapon.
You point, I punch.
Yes, oh
Yep.
omnipresent authority figure.
Do you want to tell me a story about trollops and plug tails, please?
Oh, man, God, I'm going to lose my credibility in this episode. Once again, kids, Yeah, don't worry about that.
Watch thee where they place that pointer.
Oh God, man. Okay. And Dinah here is getting poked.
Yes?
Interesting. Jeez. Oh my gosh, we got a
My
couple of them.
blade will cut you down to
Okay,
size.
that one's down, so come on, down this thing. Come on. And he's down. Okay. That
Not a
was
problem.
quick, easy, simple. And here we go. There's one. One is good. We can deal with one. Attack. You're
That
gonna
comes.
run out of only one left. Crap. You know what? That. I wonder if that'll hit the others that are up there. Let's find out. Watch it come back on us. That would suck. Okay, here goes. Ouch. And what's it gonna hit?
For right.
Boom.
And
Okay,
I
one's
always
down.
am.
And there goes the lightning bolt. Hopefully it doesn't come back and hit us. It looks like, no, that one's got damage. And that, yeah, it looks like they might have gotten both, which is good. This one has more damage, so let's take it out first. Oh, that's Syl. Okay, that is like the leader of this group. And this group is the one that Cordy up in Baldur's Gate wanted us to take out. So either way, we will still take these out. And yeah, up here. Dinah here.
Whatever they need.
I need you to cast another magic. How about on this one? Whoops. Magic missile. On this one to disrupt any spells. Come on. Oh. Okay. Spell failed. Spell failed. That's good. Good. Okay. Oh, that one's down. Good. One more. Here we go.
I stand ready.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go now. And I don't have any more magic. Yes, I do. Of course I do.
They wish my ear.
We've got. Well, let's first see if she's got in here. Magic missile. Magic missile. How many? 2? We've got something else.
I know nothing more, so leave me to go.
They called.
Okay, we don't want to use those.
Good on you if you saved the day.
You've got that small one, so yeah, let's do that. Let's give, I want to use this one up. So put that there, put this down here. And as long as we're doing this. Okay, more to identify. Can we identify those? No. Okay. They are arrows of biting, by the way. Here we go. And there's this. Everybody on you. You
Whatever
are
they
going
need.
to cast. No, you're not. You are going to
They wish
use
my ear.
that. There. Here we go. Oh! Did that hit somebody? Possibly Imoen? I don't know. Um, oh, Jahira is unaffected by the okay, good. Now we should be able to take Syl out. Let's go. Boom, 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 and the down. Okay, good deal. Move in.
Yes? It will be done.
Okay, that went decent.
They're called?
Yep, collect these. And did you hear it?
Back home,
Yep.
Cuffguts would always tell me a story.
Yep, somebody would tell
You
you
can't
stories.
live without a little adventure.
Oops, your inventory is full. Okay, and one.
You're a queer fellow.
Jesus. Okay,
I stand
go.
ready. It will be done.
There's our cave. Okay, inside the cave are those creatures. If I'm not mistaken, those creatures are flesh golems. So what I'm going to do, because there's also traps in there, is we're going to take Imoen.
What you want?
And we're going to send Imoen
I've
in.
done had enough of this.
Excuse me, if you were a big user of potions and such, you can go ahead and give her like the potion of invisibility, so she can go in there and do her disarming stuff, and maybe a potion of speed so she can run around. I'm not a big fan of using potions. I like to save them for some reason. And so I'm just going to run in here, and she is already detecting
I'm gone.
traps, which are usually right around the bends here. But this is also going to reveal, see, there's our trap. And then as soon as we go to disarm it, I think there's going to be like a flesh golem right there. So, yeah, there we go. So anyway, we got that. He sees us. He's hostile. Ideally, we would kite him outside. So let's allow him to get a little closer. And weapon in effect. So she took a shot at him, and obviously it didn't do anything. So you know what? No. Let's okay. Might as well use arrows of ice. No, we'll save those for characters. So let's go with the plus ones. You plus ones. You plus ones. Imoen,
Yep,
come on
I'm
out.
gone.
And see, he's going to follow. Hopefully, he will. Okay, I can't see if he's still coming or not. Come on, guy. Hey, I'm over here. There you go. Oh, there you go. Now that we got his attention. And she's going to come
I've
down
done
here.
had enough of this.
He's going to come out. And all of you guys are going to shoot him.
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes! Run!
And he's down. 2,000 EXP for that.
I care not.
Back
This
inside.
way.
And was that a flesh golem? Let's find out. Yeah. Those are the same creatures that are with Palantir over at High Hedge.
You're a this way.
Okay.
This way.
Same thing over here. There should be another trap. There's the other flesh golem. Imoen should take a shot already. Maybe even get a couple off. Okay, very good. Come on back. Is he still coming? Okay, she hasn't turned around, so maybe he went back. There he is. Okay, come on down. Is he coming? Oh. I think we got him now.
I've done had enough of this.
Yes?
There he is.
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes!
And drop him like that. And that got us another 2,000 experience. Okay. Imoen,
What you want?
go back in.
I'm gone.
There may be 2 more in the back of the cave. Now, we haven't seen a
I've
trap
done had enough of this.
over here yet. But I know that... Oh! Okay, we're held. Once again, we haven't seen a trap.
I stand ready.
That's why.
Not a problem.
Interesting, it does no damage, but it holds us.
With ease.
So we're just going to wait for the hold to wear off, and then we'll continue. We can already go this direction because we got rid of this one. But you know what? I don't want to trigger the other golem that I think is up here. So we're just going to wait for Imoen to finish her little, this. That's interesting that it holds you, because that would allow the flesh golem to just come over and pound the person into
Yep.
a hamburger.
I'm gone.
Okay, note to self, slow down, because we knew it was there. We just, there it is, chose to ignore it. Okay.
Yes?
You guys,
It will be
come on.
done.
I care not. I've done had enough of this.
Yeah, you have. Okay. I'm pretty sure there are other traps over here as well. Okay, here he comes. Take a shot. Come on back here.
I stand
All of
ready.
you guys. Nothing? Maybe not.
Not a problem.
Something tells me there are more traps, and I'm not going to fall for it, so you come back, Imoen.
You're a queer fellow. This way.
Okay, where's your buddy? Now, these guys also circle around here. So there's a good possibility that he's going to come up on the backside of our party. So we need to be ready for that. God, I really thought... There it is. I was going to say, I really thought there were more traps over here. Okay, get rid of that. And there he is. Get away. And get away. Take a shot. Good deal. Get away. Take a shot. Nope. Get away. Yep, take a shot. Oh no, too close. Too close. he is. You
Yes?
guys. Take a shot. And he goes down. And Karan leveled up. Look at that. Okay, let's pause.
Luck
The
is
person,
always on the side of the
the
romantic.
person who needs it the most. Okay, what are you going to do? We're going to level you up. Level 4, level 5. I'm guessing this is what's going up. Yeah. Okay. What do we got? No proficiencies, no skills. Couple saving throws increased to hit armor class 0, reduced by 1. Got 5 more hit points. Still squishy. But we'll take anything at this time. Okay. Let's, wow. Thaco, 3. That's awesome. Boom. 3. Yes. Okay. Regular arrows for you. Regular arrows for you. And regular arrows for you. Let's gather
I
the
stand
party.
ready.
Get up here.
It will be done.
Okay. And I'm hoping that is it for the, what do you call it? Traps. And let's hopefully nothing here. Ouch. Okay, cool. Let's just gather everything. And of course a full trap. There's the tome. So let's get Dinah here.
Whatever they need. No
I need you
less
to
than done.
get some of these
With
magic
ease.
things.
They wish as well as I can.
Okay, magic.
That comes as
Jahira,
directed.
You've a task?
yeah, get your potions.
As good as done.
Okay, potion. And what did I pick?
Yes?
I've got antidote. Okay, we'll take that. Magic item, magic darts over there. And that's it. Let's get out of here. Potion in there, potion in there, potion in there. Top off these like that. And can I carry that? Nope. Back to Jahira. Okay, let's go. Oh, Minsk. Top off. Like that. Jahira, you're good. You are okay. Top off. And you are in there. Oops, where's your bag? Hello. There it is. Don't know why he's got it, but okay. There, and there. Oh, timer. Okay, that went well. Top off. Arrows. And magic missiles. You put those back there. And Danny here. You know what? Oh yeah, you're gonna go through that. These are all needing to be identified. So we're good. That's it. And we're done.
I stand ready. It
One
will be
last
done.
look,
Nature is good as done.
just to make sure we got everything.
Not a problem.
And we did. Okay, guys, that's it
Yes?
for
Not a problem.
Black Alaric Cave. Go this way. And Imoen, where are you?
What you want?
I want you out here.
This way.
Just in case we have one more trap, which I don't think we do. And no more flesh columns. Nope. Let's go, guys.
I stand ready.
Okay, here we go.
It will be done.
All right. That that should have been the cave. Oh, somebody's encumbered. Dinah here. Okay, we'll let her catch up to the group and figure out what's weighing her down. Probably like a shield or something. Okay, Dinah here.
Whatever they need.
I need to figure out what's weighing you down. 7470. Can we get rid of this? Nope. Can we get rid of... Is that a cloak? I wonder if that's Gurky's. No, I thought we identified. Tome? Wow, that weighs a lot. The shield? Nope. Sword? Yeah, we'll do that. Who gets a sword? How about Imoen? That should be the only thing that she's carrying. All right, guys, let's get out of here.
With ease.
And it looks like Imoen's on the run, so yay. Okay, guys, that's it for this episode. We got to look at Safana, and we did Black Alaric's cave. Let's go back to Beregost, or you just want to go north? I can't even go north from here. So let's, I don't think that's a bridge right there. Is it? No. So let's just go to the side over somewhere. Over here? No, maybe not. Let's go south. Just exit down here. We did that. We did that. That's it. Met people. We'll go back to Beregost. We will identify some of the items, and then we will continue on to the next area north, if there is another area to the north. Oops, unpause. And either way, we're going to lighten up, get rid of some of the crap that we have. And then that'll give us a fresh start for our next adventure. So guys, thanks a lot for coming on this trip with me. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, please tell me why. Subscribe. I can't hammer that into you guys enough. I need subscriptions. So please tell everybody. Yeah, just tell everybody. Go on Zoom, and whoever you Zoom with, your classmates, your teacher, your family, tell them to check out Grumpy Gnome Gaming, and maybe get them to follow. With that said, hit notifications, share, do all those good things, and we will see you in the next one. So, yep, we're in Beregost. Okay, so I'm not going to bore you with inventory management. We'll take care of all that offline, and when we come on again, we will continue our journey. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.